We're at the place where we found that old revolver and turned it in. Let's do a little bit of mag fishing. It's been a number of months since we were here. Hopefully we find some more goodies. We're gonna start chucking it out in that same general area around all sides. This is a natural pond and it's been here forever. The cowboys, even back in the day, were watering their horses here. Let's do it. Okay. Yeah, that's a big old bolt. I just learned from a local man that there was an old dock out this way, so I just started chucking it where he said, and sure enough, old rusted bolt. Keep going. Oh, come on. Ah. 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 That came loose. There's something massive out there. Absolutely freaking massive. It's not even budging. There's a car in here. Okay. Yeah, there was a family over here, and they said there's like a 72 Pinto or something in the lake here that somebody drove in here. I don't know. Could that be a 72 Pinto? No flipping idea. But there's one in here. Stuck. We're gonna try to go to every corner and get it unstuck. Got it. Well, we ripped a big old greasy nut out, so I guess it is something metal out there. Maybe we ripped the nut completely off. Maybe we were stuck around the nut and it just broke off. I don't know. Maybe it was mild steel or something and it rusted through. There we go. The hell are these little things? All right, well, we got some chain and whatever the hell these little shiny pieces are, I don't know. They're stainless steel, whatever they are. Stainless will stain, but after a really freaking long time. Oh, hell yeah. Got a pair of skizzers, a really crusty, rusty fish hook. Definitely not a good one. China, right on it. Quality with a K there, ladies and gentlemen. But I'm still stoked. Another pair of scissors. My son loses these like they're going out of style. Oh, Almost got ball tapped by the rope. We got a worm. A whole bunch of rust. There's an old church key. It's broken. Old beer bottle opener. Holy crap, we got something big. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Wowzers. All right. Oh, hell. Well, a Barlow. That's off of a knife. And that's a giant window weight. Off of an old window back in the day. I'm sure they were using that for weights back in the day, or it's from the plantation house. And that is a knife for sure. Barlow, I'm pretty positive. All right. That didn't go as far as I wanted it. Some sort of hook type thing, probably off of a old dock. Seems like the faster I move the magnet, the better it grabs stuff. Let's try pulling it in fast again. We got it a little off to the wrong side of where I was shooting for, but oh shit, it did work. Yet again, we got more stuff. Old tin. And a lock. Yeah, that's an old lock. Yeah, I'm assuming that is from that old dock that that dude told me about. Nice gentleman. All right. Keep chucking. Keep pulling it in fast, I guess. Oh, there we go. More chain. Unfortunately, it's rusted through. The guy told me there was a pontoon out here for all the people to swim and party at, and that there was supposedly a chain that broke off because the pontoon broke off of a concrete block. But this chain, you can break it with your hands. Yeah, it's not safe anymore. Holy schmolies. Look at that. Mow. That's some like sort of fancy pants, Japanese fancy pants kitchen knife thing. Mow. They broke the tip off, just the tip. And another lock. Sweet, dude. I have no idea what kind it is. Probably just a master lock. Bitchin'. That is a piece of a spoon. A bent up, crusty old stainless steel spoon. got a butter knife, people. Stainless steel butter knife. Well, it's something. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's do a roundup. We did pretty decent today. Check her out. Well, first things first, a bunch of rusty crusties in the bottom of the bucket here. I'm not gonna take every single little fish hook and broken piece of chain and piece of rust out so you can see them, but decent amount. Coming on down the line here, we got a piece of a 55-gallon drum. Barlow, that's the end of like a pocket knife, I do believe. Nice old one. Energizer battery, a church key for popping old beer tops. Down here probably would have had one for poking into oil cans and whatnot. A greasy bolt, a big old dirty square nut, a broken padlock, another padlock, unbroken but been down there for flipping ever, a pair of greasy old skizzers from China, quality, bunch of nails, big old dirty piece of chain that was way far out there, piece of tin painted blue, I have no idea what that's from, painted green, a huge old window weight. These would have been in the old houses inside the window frame, hooked up with string, and when you would pull the window up, it would help lift the window up since the windows were so flippin' heavy in the old houses. This big, probably 5-pound weight helped lift the windows up. Butter knife. Mayo, Japanese knife. A twisted up little dope spoon with the end broken off. And a giant hook. Guessing that's a bolt. Nope, not threaded. No idea what it is then. There you are, folks. Bunch of knives, skizzers, padlocks, pieces of iron, window weights. Hope you all enjoyed this one, and we'll see you on the next. Peace.